Welcome to RsN Hospitality. Today, we're diving into the world of restaurant hostesses. Ever wondered what it takes to be the face of a restaurant? Let's find out! A restaurant hostess is the first point of contact for guests, setting the tone for their dining experience. They manage reservations, greet and seat guests, and ensure smooth operations at the front of the house. This role requires excellent communication skills, a friendly demeanor, and the ability to multitask under pressure. The hostess plays a crucial part in the hospitality industry, creating a welcoming atmosphere and leaving a lasting impression on guests. The day starts early for a hostess. Arriving before the first guests, they ensure the reception area is spotless and ready to welcome diners. Checking reservations and planning the seating arrangement is crucial for a smooth service. Setting up the dining area and checking table settings, verifying supplies, and coordinating with the kitchen staff are all part of the morning routine. As guests arrive, the hostess greets them with a warm smile. Managing reservations and walk-ins, they estimate wait times and ensure everyone is comfortably seated. They handle special requests and manage large group reservations. Communication with the waitstaff is key to keeping things running smoothly, especially when dealing with difficult situations. Busy periods can be challenging. A good hostess remains calm under pressure, addressing guest complaints and special requests with grace. For instance, managing a long wait list requires clear communication and patience. Handling frustrated guests involves empathy and quick problem-solving. Coordinating with the kitchen staff ensures that special dietary requests are met promptly. Their ability to multitask and stay organized is essential. As the shift ends, the hostess ensures the reception area is clean and organized for the next day. She also completes closing procedures, such as preparing reports and planning for the next day. Reflecting on the day's performance helps them improve and prepare for future shifts. Being a restaurant hostess is a rewarding yet demanding job. If you enjoy working with people and have strong organizational skills, this could be the perfect role for you. Here are some tips for aspiring hostesses. Always greet guests with a smile, stay calm under pressure, and be proactive in managing reservations and seating. The benefits of this job include meeting new people, developing strong communication skills, and being part of a dynamic team. If you're interested in a career in hospitality, there's so much more to explore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights from RsN Hospitality. Visit our website to learn more about hospitality careers.